Hello, traders. Your favorite FX coach here again on this Tuesday, preparing you for what's ahead for the New York trade session and possibly the London trade session. This is your girl, Stiletto Pips, the Pipologist here. And before I begin, let me just go ahead and make my disclaimer that trade ideas, trade analysis are not financial advice nor guarantees. Just a view of possibilities. You agree to use this information at your own risk. My past performances are not indicative of any future results. So, we are on day 2 of this new week that began on September the 12th. Today is the 13th, a new trading day. And so what is going on? What could you be prepared for? What do you want to do? Buy or sell? I don't know. You don't know? Okay, well, let me tell you. Well, if you take a look here at the 4-hour time frame, okay, yesterday you already know that price made a new high and a new low for the new week, okay? Right up here is the new weekly high, and here is the new weekly low, all right? So the market is bullish concerning this pair. Price is above this moving average, okay? So you should be looking for buys as long as the time frame that you're using for entry is above the moving average as well, okay? That's this green squiggly line here. You need price to be above it. So it is above that. And we're on the GBP USD, by the way. I'm so sorry I didn't let you know that, but I'm talking about the GBP USD right now. So we're actually going to cover the GBP USD, we're going to cover the US 500, and we're going to also cover gold, okay? So today's trend is bullish. Well, how do I know that it's bullish? So far, price has broke above the minor high of the day, okay? Now, throughout the Asian market, it may come back down to try to retest the low of this day, all right? But as long as price can hold up above 1.16680, I would look for a buy for the GBP USD, and I would take it right up here to the ADR high of the day, or at least begin to lock in profits at about 10 to 15 pips. Depending on what your pip goal for the day is. Okay, I would look for a pullback during the Asian market to enter a buy. Okay, I would look for a pullback during the Asian market to enter a buy from a lower time frame, such as the 5 or the 15-minute time frame. Now, let's move right along to the US 500. Okay, now the US 500 has made a new high and a new low for the week as well. So the high of the week for the US 500 is somewhere right around 4085.30, okay? And the low of this new week is right around 3882.65, okay? So what you're looking for is for price to continue up above this new daily high at 4123. However, the best thing to do is wait for price to pull back, okay? Pull back towards the moving average here. Both time frames that I use, the 30-minute and the 4-hour, is above the moving average that I look for to enter a price, which is this green moving average. Now, if you want more information about what moving averages I use, you know, what resources do I have to help me with my trades, go ahead and click the link in this video, or you can visit my IG page and you will get an invite to my trade community, Pip Nation, and become a citizen of our nation so you can make pip moves with us, baby. So this pair is very bullish as well, okay? Now the new weekly trend is bullish. Price can come back down to retest the high of the week. Okay, it can come back down and retest the high of the week. If it stays above 4112, we can look to continue on up to the ADR high right around 4193. But if it does not and it crosses below 4112, I will look for this pullback to come back somewhere right around right around this area right here, 4080.60. Okay, so the trend for today, for this week rather, because we don't have the daily trend yet for this pair for the US 500. But the trend for the week is bullish. So if you're a positional trader, you're looking for a bullish entry, preferably from a support area. Okay, you want to look for a support area. Now, moving right along to gold. Gold for this new week, by the way, let me go ahead and put this on the 4 hour. Okay, let's see what's going on with gold. So far, gold for this new week is bullish, okay? We are above the minor high and low of this week. That's this solid aqua line right here near 1730. 1713 is the price, okay? So as long as price or the market stay above here, you can look to keep going to the upside, right? So price is still above the moving average, the green moving average, and it's right here near 1727. So it could pull back towards the Asian market and the beginning of the London and retest the low of the day. This is the new low of this day, the super low of the day rather. And if so, you want to take a buy from here. All right, so this market for gold is very bullish as well. So let's recap, okay? The GBP USD is moving in a bullish momentum, okay? You want to look for a pullback during the Asian or the London market to continue up to somewhere around 1.17843. The US 500 is having a bullish week, and if price can get above 41.26, it will be a bullish day, and you would take that right up to 41.93.49, okay? If not, if it cannot stay above 41.112, you're gonna look to sell if price gets below the green moving average and take it back down towards the low of the day, okay? Somewhere right around 4080.60. And then gold is also bullish for the week. We're waiting on price to either break above this this minor high of the day. That's right here at 1726.12. Okay, it needs to break above here. All right, to continue bullish. All right, and as long as we stay above this green moving average, you can look to enter into a buy. If price breaks through this area again, 1726, you want to go ahead and take a buy, or you can wait for a pullback between now and the London session and take it right up to the ADR high, 1744. So that's it, folks. I will see you all in the New York trade session. Please write those price levels down, rewatch the video, like, share, and comment. Help your girl out. I'm wanting to reach a higher number in my YouTube channel and as well as my Instagram. So if y'all see your girl on Instagram, go ahead, like, share, and comment on these videos, because you know that's what boosts your algorithm up. And likewise, I will look out for your content posting and like, share, and comment. All right, until tomorrow, happy trading.